Hi, Cheryl here, back with you from Farmhouse Frugally. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I wanted to let you know that this is the first week of November, and I am right in the middle of the 12 days of Christmas. And of course, that is when I hit my 3,000 subscribers. So I wanted to say thank you. First and foremost, I could not do this without you. I appreciate all of your likes and your shares and your kind comments. I appreciate the fact that you are coming along this journey with me. And I wanted to show appreciation by having a giveaway. I do this because I love to do this. Certainly not to make a couple of bucks on YouTube. Definitely not worth it, trust me. But I like to save the stuff from the landfill. I like to repurpose items. I like to be creative and just enjoy making something from something else. And I love to stage things in my home or any place else I can get a hold of. And so that is truly why I do this. I am enjoying the journey and I'm in no hurry. I don't need 100,000 subscribers or whatever it is. I just want to enjoy what I do. And so I want to thank you so much for being part of this journey, and I want to appreciate one of you. So what I'm going to do is I am going to have a giveaway. I have just collected a few items, some decoupage papers and a mold and some stamps and a few different transfers and some items that you've seen me use on my channel, so that one of you will be able to enjoy that kit and do some of these things. Now, what I'd like to do, I will put it here so you can see exactly what's in the kit. So how the giveaway will work is, what I would love for you to do, no matter what, whether you want to win the kit or not, would you please comment below in the comment section and just let me know what it is you like about Farmhouse Frugally. And that can be anything, whatever you like. And if you do not want to win the kit because you know you're not going to use it, and that's fine, then also put, I will not use the kit or something. And then what I will do is I will take all the comments, and December 15th, my husband will get all the comments and he will pick one winner. And then I will put on my community page on December 15th how to contact me so that I can mail to the winner that kit. So that's how we will go ahead and celebrate the 3,000 subscribers. And I hope that you will continue to watch. I have about 500 videos, so enjoy those. Not the early ones, they're terrible, but anything recent. And then we will just continue to grow and have fun and go from there. So thanks again so much for stopping by, and I hope that you will share and like and comment, because those are obviously the things that YouTube likes, especially views. So keep watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.